Measurement is perhaps one of the most fundamental concepts in science. Without the ability to measure, it would be difficult for scientists to conduct any experiments. Apps in smartphone are good alternative to the traditional ways of measurements. Let us look at some important apps. Science Journal is the free digital science notebook brought to you by Google. You can keep your notes, photos, and observations all in one convenient place while performing science activities. Measuring light intensity, recording sound levels, frequency measurement, accelerometer, and magnetic compass are some of the features which we can use. Strength of the magnet can be measured very easily with the help of this application. With a frequency generator, you can generate frequencies of desired values. Here, I am trying to find the resonating length of a pipe open at one end with the help of this application. Frame Capture app can be used to analyze motion videos captured with regular cameras. Each frame can be seen along with the timestamp. Here, I am calculating the speed of the marble. This is especially good when time duration is less than 1 second. It covers 21 cm in 1 second. Its speed is approximately 0.75 km/h. Events taking over a long duration can be captured in a small time window with the help of Framelapse app. Movement of shadow on a zero shadow day is captured with this application here. Army knife has many utilities like ruler, bubble level, unit converter. These can be used while performing science activities. Screen Light app enables you to generate colorful screens of any color. This can be useful while studying behavior of light and colors. Timer of the phone is handy for measuring intervals for many activities. Sound meter as well as light meter are standalone apps which can be used to measure related quantities. Voice recorder can be used to record various sounds during the activity as well as voiceover for the video. Screen recorder gives you better clarity. It is used to capture what is happening in the other apps as well. Music players can store files of certain frequencies to be replayed later. Use water bottles, corrugated sheets to construct a stand for your mobile phone. These stands are better during recording instead of holding the phone in hand. Don't forget the flashlight of the phone. It can be used as a light source in many activities in optics. The apps we discussed here are available for free on Playstore. Of course, you should have related sensors available for a particular feature to work. There could be other apps as well which offer similar features. You can use those as well. Do let me know if you are using any other apps which I have not covered here. Thank you.